Hello everyone friends, this is Walla. Today I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft PowerPoint. To do this, go to Start and type Store. We're going to the Microsoft Store. And here we need PowerPoint, of course. As you can see, it's here and it's paid, yes. We can check its price on the official website. As you can see, there's a subscription that costs 2,700 hryvnias per year. That's about around $60 or $70, or about 270 hryvnias per month. That's about $7 a month. You can also check prices specifically for your region on the official site. There's a free version the web version is free. You can access it at no cost. Here's the web version. This was Waller. Goodbye, everyone.